First what I'm going to do is get this cover back here off. It should just be a matter of pulling it out. There's a couple little grommets that hold it in place. Set this aside, and as you see right here, this is the electrical connection. So we're going to disconnect the saddlebags. This has the power locking bags. So we're going to disconnect that, and then I'm going to take the bag off. All right, now I want to take the bags off. So we're going to take these 6mm Allen heads loose. I won't take them all the way loose because the camera's sitting on the bag. So we'll take these out, and then what we'll be able to do at that point is just rock the bag off the spools and then set it aside so it doesn't get scratched. All right, next you want to locate these two covers. There's a plastic cover here and then one right here underneath the peg. So you're going to want to get those removed. Again, it's still the 6mm Allen. For the bottom one, I'm going to use an extension, but I don't want to get anywhere near the pipes and risk scratching them. All right, just a word of caution on, I'm not sure if you're going to run the same thing. The guy on the line that was, I guess, doling out the Loctite was, I don't know if he had a bonus plan, the more he used, the better he got paid or what, but this one down here was a bitch to get off. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to get this cleaned up because there's a lot of dirt from riding it. And then we'll put the bar on and then saddlebag. Okay, so the highway bars have one tab that has 2 holes, one tab that has 1 hole. So what we're going to do is get it started. I'm going to start with this back hole just to start threading in. Then I'll line up and try to get this. If you feel a lot of resistance in the threading, obviously stop because something's not right. This, the 2 bolts that we're holding the covers in, you may feel some resistance, but not a lot. It's just because it's got the residual Loctite from Loctite dude in there. Right. Next step is we want to slide in here and place our bag back into place. So one thing you'll notice and be careful of that there's 2 little rubber pieces. I think they've been known to stick to the bags. You just want to make sure you pick those out, put them back in the spools. That'll help it when you try to line them up. 2 bolts, and come back over here, make sure you plug this back in until it clicks. And then it's a matter of replacing the side piece and we're done. All right, and there's the finished project. These look really good. I can't see spending the extra money on the ones that Indian puts out because they look, I mean, you can't tell the difference.